everyone. I hope you're having a great holiday weekend. Happy July 4th. And in today's video, I just wanted to show this nail art gel from Joslove. This was sent to me by them for review. And if you're interested, keep watching. So this one comes with 12 colors, 1/3 fluid ounces or 10 milliliters. So let's check it out. Open it up. Okay, so pretty impressive, snug packaging, and each one has the color in the front. So here is your standard user manual that comes with most kits. You know, I just kind of glance through it. I never really read through them, especially if I know what the product is or how to use it. So I'm going to show you each color, and then I'm going to do a little swatch at the end and also announce the winner of my first giveaway. Unfortunately, the first person did not get in touch with me, so I had to pick a second winner, but I'm gonna let this play. I hope you guys enjoy. So there you have it, all beautiful 12 colors from the Joslove Nail Art Gel Paint Liner. I will say that there was a couple that were really thick, and you'll see on my swatch here, like the green, it was a little gloppy. So some of them were definitely on the thicker side, but you can work around that. And you know, I recommend this. I think it's really nice. I love how opaque they are. You can purchase them on Amazon. So I would like to announce the winner of my first giveaway. So if your name pops up here, you're the winner. So please contact me via Instagram and we will be in touch. And I wish you all a great holiday weekend. Happy 4th, everyone. Bye.